Mental health isn't just a rich people problem. We can't afford all this depression therapy business. Mental health? First, let me pay my EMIs. Ah, yes, the great Indian myth that mental health is just a fancy problem for people who have too much money and too little to do. But your mind doesn't check your bank balance before it breaks down. Depression doesn't care whether you live in Kolaba or Kandivali. Anxiety does not peep into your salary slips. The auto wala fighting panic attacks between rides. The maid battling depression while raising 3 kids. The student having breakdowns in a PG room. But therapy is expensive. Sure, so is ignoring your mental health until you can't work anymore. Here's what they don't tell you. Government hospitals with mental health units, NGOs providing free counseling services, therapists offering sliding scale fees, and online platforms with cheaper options. Your struggle matters whether you shop at DMart or DLF, because mental health, it's not a luxury item. It's a basic human need, and you deserve it, no matter what your bank balance says.